Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing, I surprised her with a date and kissed her while having COVID. Let's get into it.
Build something that keeps the germs in and keeps the outside air fresh, but I'm able to still interact with my family. I figured I'd take you on a little
Wow. Okay. So Claire's an inventor, y'all. Y'all see this? That's pretty inventive. You got a lot of time to come up with stuff, I guess. So that's good. He didn't even feel good and he came up with something special. That's love right there, y'all. That's sweet because it meant so much to her. I know she missed interacting with him every day and he missed his family. So I like it. That's interesting. What y'all think? Comment below.
Yeah, a Corona picnic date.
If we can do this, babe, we can do something else from here. Right here in the hole. Use the glory hole.
What's up, gang? It's your boy. You know what I'm saying? Back with COVID. Today like day 8 or 9.
God bless you. Y'all still pray for Claire. He's day 9, but we still praying for you. Praying for everybody who got it.
I'm quarantining. I'm tired of it. Like, I haven't been able to play with Legend. I haven't been able to hug or kiss Queen. I haven't been able to do nothing. Literally, all I've been doing is watching shows. I finished Cobra Kai. I finished Godfather in Harlem. What other show I finished? I'm watching Euphoria now. Like, this is crazy. Like, I can't do nothing, you know what I'm saying? But today I woke up determined to change that. You know what I'm saying? I have an idea. What if I build something that keeps the germs in and keeps the outside air fresh, but I'm able to still interact with my family? You know what I'm saying? Still get to maybe talk to them, maybe play a game or two. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm tired of being down here. It's like I'm locked up. You know what I'm saying? I'm locked up. They won't let me out. Like, I'm locked up right now. I feel like Akon. I know exactly what he's feeling right now, but all that is going to change today, you know what I'm saying? So before we get into this video, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you leave a comment, make sure you subscribe, because that's the most important thing.
Like, comment, and subscribe our video too.
Make sure you subscribe. If you're not subscribed, it's like, what are you doing? But remember, everything's going to change today. So I got everything I need. I'm about to start right now. I'm about to start it up. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all don't go nowhere.
Poor Claire. It's gonna take him so much energy to do that. That's just so sweet. He doesn't even feel well.
A lot more difficult than I thought. So this is what I got so far, y'all. It looks crazy. Looks crazy. Almost done. I got this little piece down there. Nothing crazy. But Queen not even here. She left to go pick up Legend. You know what I'm saying? Then she's coming right back. So once they come back, I'm gonna have this all ready, brand spanking new. You know what I'm saying? Pretty proud of it, man. What you guys think? Comment right now on the creativity. Rate the creativity out of 10 right now. You know what I'm saying? Who else would do this just to see their family? The list of names should be short on who would do this. You know what I'm saying? Once you come back, I'm gonna get them on footage. Lego. So I'm all done. This one's a little messed up because I had to get back in, but this is my masterpiece right here. Now I feel like I can have some visitors, you know? Maybe they can stand right there, we can chill. I could possibly, you know, have some contact. You know what I mean? A little.
Oh, yes, Daddy.
You know what I mean? Just, I don't know where this could get. I don't know what could happen.
Wow. You're just as bad as Queen. Sheesh. It's hard being a couple when one of them got it and the other one don't. They love each other though.
Out of this, but I'm putting my hands up and I'm just, you know what I'm saying? Whatever happens, happens. Basically, we about to go on a ran rap date or like a COVID-free date. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what to really call it, but what y'all think? I'm about to call it till it come down. Yeah, look at that. But this shit took dumb long. I'm not even. Alright, so let's call Queen. Tell her to pull up. Tell her to bring some snacks to me. Hello? Hey, what you doing?
Just uploading my video, my cooking video.
Can you come downstairs real quick? Can you bring a glass and some snacks?
A glass and some snacks?
Yeah, so bring like a cup for you. And then bring some snacks.
Okay.
Maybe a game or two. You know?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
What's
No, I'm just bored.
babe.
What happened?
How are we gonna do that? And like, you know, you sick.
I got that covered.
What?
I got that covered. Don't worry about it.
Queen she like, did we forget something very important? Like I would love to go on a date. That sounds like fun, but
Just,
Babe, I don't want to get sick, babe.
babe, just get it.
So some snacks? Okay, let me get some. Okay. Alright, I'm excited. Okay.
Alright.
Bye.
Alright. So let's see if this actually works. You know what I'm saying? We gonna see. I think it will. Damn, I'm sweating still, bro. Comment right now, would you?
he's sweating less than he was on that last video though. But poke thing. I hope you feel better, Claire.
I just think, will it work? And what would her reaction be? Let me know in the comment section right now before she come downstairs. Bro.
Oh, now everybody, that's an easy one. You know she excited. You know she going crazy. Like she understand it, but she all like, okay, well this is something new.
This is the most fun I've had since being sick. I'm not gonna lie. And all I did was saran wrap the door. You know what I'm saying? Having COVID is bad. Come on. Alright, yeah, so I'm dressed. I got my hat on. Let me grab my glass. Grab my glass real quick. About to get real romantic in there. Bro, I'm bored as fuck, bro. Alright, so we got the door closed right now. Alright, yeah, here, coming. Thumbs up.
Hey, open up. Babe. How am I supposed to bring all this stuff in?
I mean, you can't come in, but I just, you know what I'm saying? I figured I'd take you on a little, like...
Corona date?
Yeah, like...
A Corona date?
A Corona picnic date.
Yes. But how we gonna... Wait, how we gonna...
Yo, I really gotta see. This is dumb funny.
How am I gonna get it through?
I left a little bit right here.
Okay. All right, so here's the thing. Alright, wanna show you what I got?
Why did you bring
I got
that?
some, you said bring snacks. I got some Rice Krispies and they have all flavors in here. Chocolate, regular kind, and strawberry. I also brought some Doritos. I brought some sandwich bags because we can't touch the same bag. And I also brought, I don't know which one you...
How did you...
That was smart though. She brought the bag and the extra bag so he don't touch it.
You brought shit down like it was...
You said bring snacks.
Like you was ready for a date.
I'm ready. I missed you. We haven't slept together.
Oh, that's so sweet. See, they finally get to see each other versus like, I don't know what they was doing, just shoving stuff in the room or something.
Everything. And I brought, so I think you need to be hydrated. Either way, you'll be hydrated both. So you could, oh, you have that?
Yeah.
Here, clink. Can we kiss through here?
Yeah, I think.
Look, he do need that hydration though.
And I also brought some Teddy Grahams. They legends, but we can buy some more. And some mini M&Ms from the airport from Mexico. Oh! And I got our favorite, Connect Forward. And I also got some gloves as well. Well, it's only 3, so one of us gotta have one. But I think...
Really only I need gloves.
Yeah, you don't want to need... Ooh! But...
Yo!
Sorry, I just...
I don't have the cooties. I just have COVID.
Alright, so you ready to play?
Yeah.
Okay.
I should probably get my mask.
Yeah, you probably should. Babe, I can't hold it.
Okay. Hey, get my mask right here. We're gonna play a game of Connect 4.
I really do.
I miss you too. You don't know how lonely it is, though.
You don't know how lonely I've been sleeping alone in a guest room. Feel like a guest. Okay. You ready? You know I'm known for winning in Connect 4, okay? Wait, but babe, honestly, how are we supposed to...
Right there is cool. I'll put my hand through.
No, let me just put my hand through.
You sure?
Yeah.
I think what they should do, and I'm not messing up their whole thing, but like, what if she just puts all the pieces and he tells her where to put what slot to put it in, you know? And that way they don't have to touch the board or the same pieces, because like, you're gonna play more than one game, so you don't want to, you know, have to go clean off all the pieces again. I don't know.
There we go. Slide it right there. Okay, I'll be the yellow since I'm already touching the yellow one. And you can be the red because you're a red flag right now. Because you got Kobisha.
Queen's petty fam. You see that? She hit him with it real quick. She said, "You red because we cautionary."
Okay.
I'm out of breath right now.
You out of breath?
I was running and shit, though.
Aww. Okay, here, let me separate it real quick.
You got my shoes on. You want to be like me.
I did buy these because of you. I'm not gonna lie. I would have never bought these if I didn't see that you wanted. I want what you want. Okay. First of all, before we start, do you want a snack? You good?
I'm good right now.
You want a snack?
I got some water right now.
Okay. So you red because you're the red flag, and I gotta make sure it doesn't break in here. Okay, you ready?
This part is. Look, it's gonna go right through.
Huh?
It's gonna go right through.
Wait, so that. Oh, hold on. There we go.
Yeah, like that.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Do you want to set the camera up? Like right there?
I'm probably alright.
Sure.
You think I should keep it like this or?
Maybe you could like just put it right there, like, you know, set it up like on the couch. So.
Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it. I'm gonna be in the way.
Oh yeah. Dang, you could barely see me through this. Well, yeah, it's fine. You can hold it.
Yeah, I think I should hold it.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'm yellow. All right, you wanna go first?
Yeah, ladies first.
All right, I'll go first.
Let's get comfortable.
Are you out of breath, babe?
A little out of breath. Okay, I'll lay down. I'm gonna lay down and see.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the gloves. Never mind.
No.
What you mean, no?
Got to block that off right there. Who y'all think gonna win? Put in the comment section who y'all think gonna win.
I think Claire gonna win.
I wish I could see you right now.
You can't see me?
I want to see your face. I want to kiss your face. Can you think we can kiss through here?
You probably could. You do a lot of things through here.
You do a lot through here, right? Through these holes? Put a little hole in here? Oh, dang, babe. Everywhere I try to go, you...
See? And he got her distracted because she thinking about other things she could do. You gotta focus, queen.
Why don't you just let me win?
Right.
Jesus.
And she's speaking my language now. I want to be able to to win anyway. Like, I need you to let me win. I don't like losing.
You not hungry? You don't want no chips or anything? And beefaroni? Or beefamoli?
I ate some lilies.
Lily's, what's that?
Willies.
Willie's. Let's see what that's new. You know, if I put mine right here, then you're gonna go right there. So can't do that. But I also, oh, you're gonna win before me. Dang, you're so annoying, babe. Why you always winning stuff? What? Whoa.
Why you saying what like that?
Cause you moving like you about to win.
Nah.
What? What you do?
I just blocked that real quick.
Bruh. This ain't fair. How you got COVID and still trying to beat me? Like, lay down somewhere.
Gotta stay com-
Oh, queen.
better about all time.
No. You want me to put it there so bad. And either way,
What?
I give up. I won't play anymore. Did I just go?
That's me right there, y'all.
Is it my turn?
Nah, I just won. Yeah, you gotta go. What? What's that?
Also me. Queen like to cheat.
That's tic-tac-toe. 1, 2, 3,
You
4,
just
5.
put 2.
No, I didn't put 2.
Yes, you did. Take this one out.
No, you can't touch it. You gotta
Cause
move it.
I'm gonna put mine there.
No, you can't put yours there. Mine is here.
You just put 2 down, though, babe. Don't be cheating now.
I didn't cheat.
Come on, take that one out. Take that yellow one out.
Oh my God. No, all right, fine then. I'm gonna take both of them out. How do I take both of them out?
You can't.
Yes, I
You
can.
put one.
I'm taking them both out.
Why?
Because I'm not putting it there. I'm gonna place it somewhere else.
She's cheating, man.
No, I'm not cheating. I just want to put it somewhere else. I changed my mind.
She's cheating early.
I changed my mind. I'm gonna put it somewhere else, okay? Here. There you go.
Claire, you gotta let her cheat if you want her to come back. Let her win at some point. You know, you want her to come back and play again.
Connect 4.
Oh, dang! How?
Yeah. Was that a cough?
No, that was because
Do you belong in here?
saliva went down my throat.
Do you belong in here?
Oh
Connect
my
4 there,
God.
guys. Right there. There.
Oh my God.
Good game, man.
Could we play one more time?
Good game, babe.
One more time.
Yeah, you can play one more.
Rematch, come on. Rematch, man. I'm tired of this. Tired of you.
Yeah, you put that in there.
No, that's supposed to be yellow.
Put
That's
that
not
in
me
there.
for a loser. No, I won. I won the second time, babe. No, stop me for a loser. I literally, all
Don't make him laugh, Queen.
I did was put the wrong color, but if that was yellow, I put yours instead of mine, but that's supposed to be
You
mine.
put
So
red.
1, 2, 3, 4. No! Yeah, I still won. Give me that. I won.
Alright, you won.
I just cheated.
Alright, you won.
1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. Yellow.
She a mess. She worse than me. She ain't even let all the other ones go good. And then she like, no, I won. She funny though.
Oh, I just dropped my water.
Hey. You want some snacks?
Yeah, I'll take some snacks.
What you want? You want Teddy Grahams? You want M&M's?
I take some M&Ms.
Alright. Excesso excruciating.
They're old?
No, they're not. It's best before September 2022.
When does Linda get home?
Linda comes home soon, like probably around 7. Here. You want it in the bag? Or you want to put it straight in your glove?
I was just gonna eat it.
Oh, here. Babe, you can't stick your hand in here.
I have a glove on.
I know. Okay, you're right.
Queen, if you don't just get that boy the whole thing of M&Ms, he needs some M&Ms. I love M&Ms too, but I would just give him a whole bag, man.
But now you can't stick it in here because you just put it on your mouth. Here.
No.
Here you go.
I don't want that, man. I don't need all this.
Yes, you do. You're going to be down there for a while.
Yes, you do. Here, I know you're going to want it. You're going to want it.
I don't want it.
You want me to take it for later when you're alone down here?
All right, she's gonna leave me with this.
Some mini M&Ms.
So how you feel about our little date right here?
I love our date. Actually, I wish I could give you a kiss. Hold on, wait. Can they see us?
Yeah, I believe so.
Y'all, do y'all think we can get sick from this?
All right, let's do the mask. Let's double up on the mask.
Ready? Oh my God, that was the first time we got to kiss in like 2 weeks.
Probably like a week and a half.
No, almost 2.
Almost about to be 2.
Did you like our date?
Yeah, I mean, I set it up.
Give me your hand.
I like y'all date.
Oh, wait. This is how it be in business if you was locked up.
Take a thumbnail for me.
Here, put your hand right here. And then like move the camera back.
Yeah, let's see.
Is that a good thumbnail?
Look in the camera.
Is that good?
Yeah.
If we can do this, babe, we can do something else for here. Move this out the way. Right here, this little hole. Right here, this little hole.
You trying
right
to get all your glory hole shit.
Yeah. Use the glory hole. Put it right here, babe. Right here in the glory hole.
Yo, I'm dead. Yeah, I know Legend would like this.
I'm sorry.
I can see you.
No, you can't.
Yep.
Yeah, he'll like that. He'd be happy to see you.
Yeah, your paintings. Okay.
For real, man.
Miss me. Yeah, I don't know why. I gotta chill. I'm out of breath. Yeah. It's this mask, too. Ah, yeah. Thank you. Because this is the most fun I've had in like 2 weeks. This was fun. This took me forever to build.
Aw,
I got a little video.
I just want to rip right through here.
She do it too.
I don't know why I just pictured that. That would be so funny. I pictured that's what would Legend do. I know Legend would probably do that.
You gonna leave this up for Leggy?
Yeah, I probably will.
Okay, mommy gonna bring Leggy to visit you. He probably gonna try to come in. He gonna try to come through.
Yeah, he's gonna be mad excited if he can lose it.
He gonna like this. Uh-oh, babe.
You gonna belong in here.
No, I'm not. I'm not being locked down here.
Yeah, I look at Queen eye. Look at her eye right there.
I got pink eye.
So she's sick too.
Got it from his son.
She's sick. But she's gonna be in here soon.
Not corona. Don't say that, babe. For real. Don't say that. Don't put that in here. You didn't know what to say.
We hope Queen all right, and she gonna be okay, and Claire gonna be better soon. They gonna be reunited. It's gonna feel so good. Take care, Claire. God bless. Y'all pray for Claire. Pray for Queen. Pray for Legend.
Put that in here.
And God bless everybody who has it.
They definitely put the Omari on.
Do you have Lysol? I'm gonna spray these.
Yeah, I got Lysol down.
Connect fours.
Hey, it should be straight. I got gloves on.
I bet your hands sweaty, ain't they?
OD. Thank you guys for watching my date. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to get some footage of a legend when he comes home. If not, I love you guys. Appreciate y'all. And I see y'all next video. You wanna tell them bye?
Bye guys, I'll be so glad when this is over. We miss him.
I really miss you too.
Poor thing. Well, I'm really happy that he thought about us and he wanted to film and vlog, you know, why he didn't feel good. That was a very special moment. So I'm glad we were there. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.